Lovely Aquarians, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Aquas, let me wish you a very happy new year, guys. May this year be one of the finest and bestest years of your life. May it bring in lots of abundance, prosperity, lots of good health, wealth, peace, love. Okay, and yeah. So, guys, as always, we are going to do the collective reading for your sign. And if it doesn't resonate with you, please do check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. And if it resonates with you, if it makes sense, do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences. And last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So, guys, while pre-shuffling, a couple of messages were coming through. First and foremost, I saw that if at all you have been studying something like higher studies or doing some certification, and you have given some exam, probably you're going to succeed in that. Okay, definitely succeed and succeed very well. Okay, you'll do really well in that. For some of you guys, I saw that someone out there is being little lazy, little indisciplined. Okay, and probably because of that you might miss out on a good opportunity. Okay, so little planning, little discipline is needed for someone out there. Capricorn energy had shown up, and Emperor energy in Aries energy had shown up, Devil card had shown up. So, guys, yeah, someone is probably being lazy and procrastinating things, like I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it tomorrow. So, because of that, you might lose out on a very good opportunity, is what I'm getting. Okay, if at all you're looking for a new job, maybe that you're not getting interview calls or right opportunities as of yet, is what I'm getting. Some of you guys, I saw 10 of swords and I saw 10 of wands. Maybe some of you guys are ending something, some bond, some connect, some situation is ending. For some of you guys could be painful, obviously, but yeah, endings for sure for someone out there. Star energy, Uranus energy, Aquarian energy, I saw someone's finances are looking great. And I also saw that overall it's a period of wishes coming true, financial goals achieved, personal goals achieved. So overall it was a nice energy coming out for you guys, Aquas. Okay, so yeah, with that, let's get started, guys, and let's see what we have for you guys in your main reading. Okay, soulmate energy has shown up right there. I told you, right? Someone's finances are really looking good. Wow. Let me just stop here. I think we are good already with the cards, right? Yeah. So, guys, your health card is showing up as King of Pentacles. Some of you guys are you have stepped into 2025 with some fitness goals for yourself. Okay, like I am going to follow strict diet, I'm going to take up my fitness regime really seriously. I'm going to monitor what I'm eating. Maybe some of you guys have enrolled to a gym and you guys are training under a personal trainer. Maybe some of you guys have hired a dietitian, consulting a dietitian. Okay, you are investing. Okay, you are actually investing in your health, is what I'm saying. So I actually can see someone paying for fitness, like going and paying for gym or going and paying to that dietitian or that personal trainer. Okay, that's what I'm getting, guys. Investing time and money in terms of health is what I'm getting, guys, and which is a very good energy to be in, and it's a very good thing to do. Okay, and for some of you guys, see if you can ground yourself. Okay, like uh like walk barefoot. Okay, barefoot on grass. That might, if especially if you're going through some issues like BP, it might really help you. Okay, with that, that's what I'm getting for someone specific over there. But overall, It's a nice energy, and it's an energy of lot of dedication and commitment is what I'm getting. The King of Pentacles is someone who is very very committed. Okay, so Aquas, you are going to embody this energy when it comes to your health and fitness. Okay, which is very very good to know, and a good way to begin your year. Okay, so do let me know how it's going, guys. Then your finances is showing up as Queen of Pentacles. Wow. Now if you see both these cards, they are showing up as a power couple or a not power couple. Of course it's a power couple also, but what I meant was divine counterparts or soulmates. Okay, some of you guys might end up meeting his or her soulmate, or it could be a couple goal. You might have set some couple goals. Okay, if you are married or if you are committed in a relationship, you have some couple goals in terms of fitness as well as in your career and finances for each other. Okay, Queen of Pentacles is someone who is very rational, very practical. Aquas, I feel that 2025 has dawned to you with lot of maturity. Okay, and it is like it's like a new light, new day. Okay, you have stepped into 2025 with lot of wisdom is what I'm saying. You have learned some lessons, and you have decided to correct certain things from the past year. Okay, you definitely have set some financial goals as well for yourself, and you are being very rational, very practical. You have developed a very practical approach towards life. Anyway, you are an air sign, you are a rational person, you are a thinker. Okay, and that's what is now clubbed with the earth sign, which again is a very very grounded energy. Okay, you don't get carried away by emotions. Okay, and that's what you are showing up in your career as well, guys. You are taking your career very very seriously now. You are, because you have certain financial goals, you have some things to achieve this year. Okay, maybe you might have like for example, you might have set a goal to buy a new car or maybe buy a new house. Okay, and you know that you out to work sincerely towards it. Okay, and that's what you're doing currently. Also, guys, you overall you are being that mature person whom people might come and confide into or take your advice. Okay, or you could be dealing with someone who is embodying Queen of Pentacles energy, who is very 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 mature, very very grounded. You could be working with such person. Maybe you have someone such in your energy whom you trust a lot. Okay, so yeah, overall I'm getting very good vibes in terms of your career slash finances. And anyway, guys, your career slash finances are looking very good and healthy is what I'm getting, guys. You might get a good new job offer soon. While pre-shuffling, I said that you have not received any interview calls yet, or offer has come your way, but it will be there very very soon. I can see it in your orbit very very energy circle very very soon, guys. Okay, maybe in a quarter or so. Yeah, maybe you might get awards, rewards, recognitions, promotion. Okay, some of you guys do let me know whatever it is. Okay, I'll be happy to hear it. Page of Wands, Temperance, and Magician. Okay, two major arcana showing up over here. One thing I'm getting here, guys, Aquas, very very sure is surely is that you might have an admirer. Okay, like someone who actually is extremely attracted towards you, or it could be you who is very very attracted towards someone. Could be a possible Sagittarian or could be a Virgo sign. Okay, but I see strong attraction between you and this person. This person might also be stalking you, watching your pictures, watching you on social media, keeping a tab on you. This person is going to definitely come and approach you. This person is not going to shy away from expressing his or her feelings towards you is what I'm getting, guys. Very very fearless and very very fiery person is what I'm getting over here. Could be a possible fire or air sign. Strongly fire is what I'm getting, guys. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And yeah, I actually can see an affair happening over here, like really really big fat affair is what I'm getting. Okay, um one message that I'm getting over here for someone out there is don't lose out on your patience. Okay, yeah, things could be delayed, yeah, things could be a little slow. Okay, because there is Knight of Pentacles who has been showing up in your energy right from pre-shuffling, and Knight of Pentacles is the slowest moving energy in tarot deck, guys. But the key is that you have patience, okay, because things are definitely happening in the background. You are in the magician phase, guys, and wishes are going to come true, be it in terms of personal life or professional life, both. Okay, so your wishes are going to come true. All you need to do is have some patience. Okay, also, guys, an act of balance or an act of grounding is coming through very, very strongly over here. Don't get carried away by anything. Okay, just keep your head cool and calm and grounded. Okay, don't get swayed or just don't get carried away by anything. Okay, like absolutely anything. um Sagittarian energy showing up over here, and I feel that someone is actually going to sweep you off your feet. Whoever is coming your way, guys, is going to be a charmer. Okay, like literally, absolutely charmer. It's like you'll be completely swooned by this person is what I'm getting, guys, and or maybe this person might find you like that, like someone who has actually swept them off their feet. Okay, like completely smitten by you is what I'm getting, guys. Yeah, that's what I'm getting very strongly, guys. If you guys are manifesting a job, definitely job is in the pipeline, or like I said, awards, rewards, recognitions, promotions, something that is going to bring in lot of money your way. Okay, is that's what I'm getting. Some of you guys, you might do some charity work is what I'm getting. You might lend money to someone. This card is like, if it's exchange of money, either you lend or you borrow money. But or if someone has borrowed money from you, you'll end up getting that money back from that person. The reason why I'm saying that you are going to be the lender or you are going to be the giver over here, because there is Queen of Pentacles and there is Ace of Pentacles, and I feel that you are the person who is going to help someone needy in terms of money is what I'm getting, guys. You are the nurturer over here, and I feel that someone is going to end up borrowing money from you, and it's a noble cause. As long as it's a noble deed, guys, if you are in a capacity to help someone needy, you should. Okay, and I think you're going to do that. Nine of Swords, okay, and Queen of Swords. Some of you guys are, I feel that someone out there is being little harsh with himself or herself. Like you are expecting way too much from your own self is what I'm getting, guys. Don't do that. Because of that, I feel that someone out there is trying to be a perfectionist is what I'm getting. Okay, this is very specific, and don't do that. Okay, there is nothing as perfection. We all are humans, and we have our flaws. Okay, everybody has flaws, and why shy away from accepting those? I really hate this term perfection. Like there are very few things that I hate, and trust me, guys, perfection is something I really do not like, because there is beauty in imperfections, and I believe that one should learn to embrace it. Okay, so if you're doing that, if you're being too harsh on yourself, don't do that, guys. Stop overthinking, stop over expecting from yourself and from others. Okay, lower your guard downs a bit. Okay, take a chill pill. Okay, I also feel that someone is kind of drawing some very strict boundaries, and you're not letting people in. Okay, you're someone is sitting in an energy of being extremely unapproachable. I don't know why. Okay, like please don't do that. Okay, uh, let people in. Okay, and allow people to help you, or operate out of love is what I'm getting, rather than being very harsh and very guarded is what I'm getting. Very, this message has been very very specific, guys. Okay, I feel that someone out there is feeling stuck in some situation. You guys are probably overthinking about something in particular, or you are feeling stuck, like absolutely stuck. So guys, maybe it could be better if you take a break from this topic and take a step back and contemplate, okay, and try to see the situation from a third person's view. Okay, maybe you are having one track mind, maybe you are seeing the situation from the same angle, and a shift of perspective is needed over here. Piscean energy showing up over here. um Guys, someone out there really needs a break is also what I'm getting. Okay, if you have been kind of being too hard on yourself, stop doing that and go and take that break. Okay, just go and take a break and get rejuvenated is what I'm getting over here. But definitely a shift of perspective over something is needed is what I'm getting over here. Okay, let me just quickly pull a clarifier on what this situation is. Why are my aquas feeling overworked? Absolutely, guys, you are confused and you are actually going in circles about something, guys, and you probably have a hunch about something. Okay, you deep down you know something, but it's that you're not allowing that, you're not accepting that. Okay, and instead you're choosing to believe an illusion. Okay, you don't want to face reality about something. Why, Aquas? Don't do that. Okay, please don't do that. You are actually trying to stay in a world of illusions, rather than facing the reality. Okay, something is wanting to come up to the surface. Okay, allow it. Okay, embrace it, whatever it is. See, your intuition, your gut is there for a reason, and it's there to save you and not harm you. Okay, so please give away this struggle, guys. Please give up this away this struggle. Listen to your intuition, listen to your gut feeling, and let the truth prevail. Okay, this is a karmic energy, this is a karmic event, and you're not you're avoiding that anyway is not going to happen. Okay, whatever karmic energies are or karmic events are to happen, they are going to happen irrespective of your resistance. Okay, so please give away the struggle. Strong Piscean energy is showing up over here, guys, and let go. Believe in yourself, believe in your gut feeling, and allow things to happen, or allow things to take course naturally rather than struggling it. Okay, there's no point struggling anyway. So just accept whatever is happening and learn your lessons and move on. Okay, with whatever, or deal with it is what I can say over here. Okay. Oh my god. Hmm. Also, guys, if you are dating someone in online space, be a little careful. If you are seeing any red flags, please do pay attention to that. This person could be a manipulator, and if you are seeing any red flags, do pay attention to that. Okay, and take a step back accordingly. Okay, do not trust anyone blindly is what I can tell you. That's again coming very very specific for someone. Let's move on, guys, and let's pull one message from this beautiful deck. Know your worth. Wow, such a beautiful message. Know your worth. Okay, and don't okay, guys, at the bottom of the deck is take a reality check, which actually is going hand in hand with the last few cards that I spoke about. You really need to take a reality check. That's what this Hanged Man is saying, that's what this High Priestess is saying. And rather than living in illusion and delusion and denying things, you should really see what is the reality. Okay, and not what you want to see. Okay, and know your worth, guys. Please know your worth. That's so important. Don't let anything, anybody tell you or convince you otherwise. Okay, you know who you are, you know your potential, you know your capabilities. That's it, period. You don't have to let anyone try to manipulate you into believing something else. Okay, wow, what a powerful message it is. What a powerful message. I really liked both these cards. Yeah. Since we are beginning a new year, guys, let's see what lesson your soul wants to remind you or learn rather. Okay. Okay. Something is something has flipped over here. Purpose. I know what I'm here to do. Wow, such a beautiful message, guys. What a beautiful message. So the soul wants you to remember that you are born here for a purpose. You are born here, you have taken this birth to learn certain lessons. The soul has signed a contract to learn certain lessons and ascend spiritually. Okay, that's what this card is reminding you about. Okay, I know what I am here to do. Maybe consciously or subconsciously, if you're not aware of the purpose yet, try to tap within. Okay, try to meditate if you can, and see and identify what your purpose is over here on the earth. We are not here just to work and earn money. There is a higher purpose for which we are born, but again, it's a big topic and I can't get into that right away. Okay, and at the bottom of the deck is failure. I understand that a mistake is only an opportunity to learn. So avoiding things, avoiding conflicts, avoiding situations just because or just out of the fear of failure is not going to help. Okay, failures are big lessons. We fail because our souls wanted us to learn a lesson. Our soul wants to learn a lesson. Okay, so there is no point hiding from it, there is no point running away from it. The same message is repeated over here. I understand that a mistake is only an opportunity to learn. What a lovely message, guys. Aquas, it was a beautiful reading with lot of different messages, different flavors to this reading, and I loved doing this reading as a reader, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. Okay, so I'll leave it at that, guys, and I'll see you next one directly. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.